Hey everybody, it's Cliff here. Thanks for stopping by. And I am at Magic Kingdom and I'm standing right out in front of where Splash Mountain used to be. And I'm a little bit bummed, guys. This is kind of a strange video. I don't normally make a video like this, but I'm a little bummed that I can't ride Splash Mountain. And you guys know there used to be 3 of them. One here in Walt Disney World, another in Anaheim, and there's a third one that is out in Tokyo. Now Disney has already destroyed the one here, and they've also destroyed the one in California as well. So these are both gone. But from what I've read, Tokyo has decided to keep theirs. They did not, or they refused to destroy their Splash Mountain. So if I want to ride it, I've got to go out there. And I was thinking, how in the heck do I get to Tokyo? I mean, gosh, that's halfway around the world. And then I thought, you know what? I've had my annual pass for Walt Disney World ever since 1998. I was there when Animal Kingdom opened up, actually, on opening day. I've had my annual pass since then. I even kept it through the pandemic. But I'm actually thinking I'm going to go ahead and take my entire budget, my Walt Disney World budget for 2024, and I am going to, and this includes hotels, food, everything, and I'm going to use all of it to get to Tokyo and spend a week out there or 5 days out there. And I am going to ride Splash Mountain again. And I'm going to document it and make a video all about it and try to document that ride as best I can out there. Like I said, it is a Tony Baxter masterpiece, and it really is something that I wish had stayed, but thank God there's at least one still left. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments down below. Am I crazy? Is this something that you think is not worth it, or maybe it is worth it? I don't know. I'd love to know what you guys think of it in the comments, and I will make a whole video about it, so stay tuned for much more about it. So, all right guys, fireworks are about to start, so have a good one. We'll talk later.